All right, welcome to AI in 5 minutes. My aim here is to try and describe AI without using jargon and try and tell you what everybody should know about artificial intelligence. So, I'm Professor Alex Akwedite. I'm the founder of Atawa AI. So, what exactly is AI? This is not a new concept. AI has been with us for a very long time. It's just maybe more in the news in the last 5 years, since way back in the 80s when I was doing my first degree in computer science. We were talking about AI. But basically, for a formal definition, it's basically technology that allows computers to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. You know, like getting them to do what you could normally do. Like teaching a little child to speak, you can teach a system, a computer to speak, all right? But you already use AI every day. It's not something new. Just maybe you don't think about it as AI. So whether it's your smartphone, unlocking of your smartphone with your face, that's AI. You watch a Netflix film, and then before you know it, it's not telling you to watch a similar film. You just watch Gladiator. Next time you come, it's asking you to watch 300. Or YouTube recommendation. Then for email spam, it's a great way to filter email using AI. And then for your traffic prediction, I spend a lot of time in Abu Dhabi in the United Arab Emirates. I come out of my apartment and it tells me traffic patterns, whether Waze or Google or Apple Map. These are ways you can use AI to predict traffic patterns. So you're already using it, you don't probably see it as AI in of itself. Well, how does AI really work? Artificial intelligence, how does it work? It needs three things, okay? You got data, the information that you give it that it's going to learn from, and then there's some kind of pattern finding instructions, we call it algorithm, and then computing power, powerful processors to crunch all those together. We join those three, you now get artificial intelligence. It's like a student trying to learn something, the information they're going to learn, the student learning environment, the speed of learning, all of that similar, right? But three things I'm going to mention here, machine learning and generative AI. Don't worry about the deep learning, just think about it. I always try to make an analogy. I use like an umbrella. I say the AI is the umbrella and everything else is under it. So machine learning, let's talk about them. Machine learning basically systems that learn patterns from data instead of you telling it what to do. Right? Prime example would be I feed it pictures of cats, and after a while it learns to recognize cats as opposed to dogs. Right? And so you now hear the word generative AI. Generative AI is ChatGPT, Google, Gemini, Microsoft Copilot, DeepSeek, Perplexity, Claude. All those are generative AI. What do? They create new content. They generate content, like give you text, image, conversation, music, video, code. Statistically, it's predicted that in the next 10 years, more than 80% of coding will be done by AI, right? But AI is not going to replace you. It's just going to replace those who do not know how to use AI in their normal job duty. So why does AI matter? Because it's everywhere, from health, finance, education, cybersecurity, government. For health, predicting cancer. For finance, anti-money laundering, fraud detection. For education, helping you do better curriculum. Cybersecurity, what we call threat detection. And even for governments, smart cities are using AI, policing, a payment system. These are all things about AI. Now, what do I want you to really take away from this short video? It's just that AI requires three things. You got your data, algorithm, computing power. And if you understand AI, it helps us to use it responsibly. I have to avoid ethical issues, bias in AI, but it helps you be more productive. So AI is not going to replace you. It's only going to replace those who do not know how to use AI in their job. What you could do is, if you want more detailed information, watch one of my other videos on like the training videos, the 4-hour training videos, or the 4-day training video. But connect with me, subscribe to the channel or the newsletter on LinkedIn. So Thank you for watching and listening, and send me messages.